how to add images to thread posts. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to add images to your post on Instagram threads. It's quick, easy, and perfect for sharing photos with your thoughts. So let's get started. First things first, open up a Threads app and then at the bottom of the screen, tap the plus icon to create a new thread post. Here you can see the image or the gallery icon. Uh, just tap on it. Your gallery will open up. You just need to tap on the photo that you want to post. Hit done at the top right. You can add up to 10 images in a single thread post. You can write a caption and then you can also put in emojis, and then you can add a topic if you want to, and then you can add more threads. So once everything looks good, you can just tap on post and that's it. Now your image post will be live on threads. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.